everybody, Chuckleberry Jim here.
And Chuckleberry Eva.
And Chuckleberry Dylan. And today we are going to be making some orange creams. So we were going to make some peppermint creams, but they did run out of peppermint essence in the shop, so we've got orange instead. So Eva's going to be doing all the making, and we're both going to be talking you through how to do it. So firstly, the recipe is very simple. It's 400 grams of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, a few tablespoons of water, and that's all you need. And firstly, we're going to put it all in a bowl and mix it up. So firstly, we're measuring out 400 grams of icing sugar into the bowl. It says sift the icing sugar, but we're not going to bother. We're just going to dump it in there. Okay.
Besides getting your spoon dirty, you can just make a little dent with the back of the spoon. The milk is in. Now I need to put the water and then we can give it a mix. Now the mixer looks a bit dry, so now I need to add some more water, then we can carry on mixing it. Now we need to put some of the orange extract in. Then you can carry on mixing it. Before you do this, you might need to wash your hands if they're dirty before rolling out the dough. So first what you're going to do is spread some icing sugar on the table so it doesn't stick. And then you can get out the dough. And then you need to move it with your hands so it starts getting safe. And then you can start rolling the dough out. The sizes you want. We've got a small circle and a medium-sized circle. If you can put it on like a plate, a baking tray, or a drying tray. So what you need to, so it doesn't stick, and then you need to put it in the dough. Then you need to twist it out, and then hopefully it sits, come up, and then you can put it on the baking tray. Like this. So now go if you want, so you can just put it back in the dough. Because now you need to roll it back up again so you can make another batch. After you've done this, they need to set for 1 hour. After seeing 1 hour and they're all set, you can get some dark or milk chocolate, and then you can break them into bits and put it in the bowl, and then you can melt it in the microwave.
Just testing it.
Yeah. Now after you've melted that, and then you need to get one, and then you just need to dip it in the nice chocolate, and then you can put it back on, and then you can keep doing that. So After you've done that, then it needs to dry for at least 10 or 15 minutes. Now we've done the chocolate bit, and we need to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes to set, and then we can drizzle some white chocolate on it and liquid to the sprinkles. So now we need to make up the white chocolate and put it in the bowl, and after it melts in the microwave, then we can put it in the piping bag and cut a hole in it so it can go through, and drizzle it all over the orange creams, and then we can decorate with some sprinkles. But be careful because the bowl can be very hot when it's been in the microwave. I'm going to drizzle it round with the white. I want to make sure that all of them has at least a little bit of white chocolate. Then that will be really nice. Just put the finishing touches on of the chocolate and then the sprinkles. You can get either one or more different flavours of sprinkles. We've gone for chocolate strands because they were the ones that we had. So the easiest way to do it is sprinkle them into your hand and then just sprinkle them. And you don't want to leave it too late, so then it don't set. And these are just the finishing touches, and then you can try one. Well, you may want them to wait for them to set. Oh, the finishing touches. They look amazing. And now we're going, and in a minute we're going to be having like guests come in and try them. Have these nice orange creams. So, taste tester, and these are our orange creams, and I really hope you like them. You can take one.